Hey everybody, it's Lorin from MISSIO Hair. One of the things I love to do is teach people how to do easy, beautiful styles on their hair. And so today we're going to do something called the Waterfall face frame. This is a style that I love to do on my hair when I have maybe like 5 minutes to get ready. First of all, you're going to need a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. You are going to need a clip. You will need to use our styling spray. Let's see if you can see that one. MISSIO styling spray, and then I'm going to finish, and this is optional, but I'm going to finish, you're going to see, with our texture paste as well. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have dry hair. One of the great things about our styling spray is it can actually be used on wet or dry hair. So you're going to prep your hair just around the front. I'm going to do about 2 to 3 sprays just on those front pieces. Then I'm going to take my brush and just brush it through. This styling spray is water-based, not alcohol-based, so it's actually not going to dry out your hair, but it will take just a second to dry. And the reason that you want to use it as a prep spray is because it's thermal protecting, and it's going to allow you to have to lock in that hold for these curls. Otherwise, they'll fall flat. So then the second thing that I do is start on the side, okay, and you are going to take your curling iron and you want to clamp it. And you want to leave the ends of your hair out and then unwrap it and pull it down. Okay, so you see how quick that was? So we curled it, clamped it, unwrapped, and we left the end out. Then I'm going to take the next section just right behind, and I'm going to start a little bit lower, the same thing. Curl, clamp, and wrap it away from my face. Hold it for just a second, unwrap, and do you see we left the end out? So the reason I call it the waterfall face frame is because we are moving down and almost creating this waterfall effect around your face with these curls. And then you just have one more right behind it. I'm going to start a little bit lower, clamp the curling iron, wind it up, hold it for a second, again the end is out, and then unwind and let that end fall through. Okay, so do you see all I created right here on this side of my face? I'm going to do the same thing this way, but I need to make sure that I hold the curling iron and I curl it the right direction. So we're going down and away from our face. So on this side, I'm going to grab my next piece, turn it, leave those ends out, and then pull it away. Okay, next section. Oh, and you can actually use the clip in order to clip everything behind your hair back to help you if you need to. I didn't do it on the other side, but I can certainly do it on this one. Then you're just going to take the hair that's right behind, just everything that kind of falls into that next behind piece, and then clamp the curling iron, roll it up and away from your face, hold it for a second, and then pull it down and through. And they don't have to look the same. And then the last one, pull it through, clamp, roll it up, pull it all the way down and through. Okay, so now we're going to take our clip out, and you can see what I've created here, and I've left the rest of it straight. Okay, so now's the fun part. All you really need to do is just use your fingers or a brush, doesn't matter, in order to brush it out. Okay, and just kind of mess it up a little bit. And that is that undone, messy, textured, beautiful look that is very, very in right now. And if you want to piece it out even more, you can use a little bit of our texture paste, just a tiny bit, melting it down, rubbing it into dry hands, and then using it, I can actually use it to smooth down any flyaways, and then using it to just twist and define those pieces. And it just puts a little bit of movement around your face. So I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. And know that every purchase of MISSIO hair products not only are going to be amazing for your hair, but they have a purpose for helping to fight human trafficking as well. So I hope you'll pick some up today.